Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we help you make informed decisions on the latest products. Today, we're looking at a powerhouse in the world of blenders, the Hamilton Beach PowerMax Professional Performance Blender. This machine promises to handle a wide range of tasks, from making your favorite shakes and smoothies to crushing ice and pureeing tough ingredients with ease. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out together. At first glance, the Hamilton Beach PowerMax seems like it has it all. It boasts a 1680-watt peak power motor, which is no small feat for a home blender. With such a powerful motor, it claims to handle everything from everyday smoothies to more demanding tasks like ice crushing and pureeing. It features a 48-ounce BPA-Free glass jar and a set of stainless steel blades that look pretty sturdy for handling a variety of ingredients. The all-metal drive is designed for durability, so this machine promises to last you for years. If you're someone who likes to blend leafy greens or tough fruits and vegetables, the 22,000 RPM motor is supposed to cut through those in seconds, no problem. In real-world testing, setting up this blender was a breeze. It's a plug-and-play sort of deal, and the instructions are simple. Whether you're making a fruit smoothie or attempting something like a creamy hummus, the process is pretty straightforward. I tested it out with a couple of different ingredients: spinach, frozen strawberries, and some ice, and it didn't break a sweat. The motor's power really does shine here, easily cutting through tough greens and frozen fruit without hesitation. One thing that impressed me was how smooth everything came out. No chunks, no weird textures, just perfectly blended results. The blender doesn't make a ton of noise either, even with the motor working at full blast. I've had blenders in the past that sound like a jet engine taking off, but this one keeps it relatively quiet. Now, let's talk about the performance of this beast. I threw some frozen ice cubes into the blender, and within seconds, the machine turned it into a fine, smooth ice crush. For those who love slushies or frozen cocktails, this is a game changer. And when it came to pureeing, whether I was making a vegetable soup or smooth almond butter, the results were flawless. No bits or uneven texture, just pure, consistent blends. The stainless steel blades and all-metal drive are definitely doing their job here. On the flip side, I do have a couple of things to consider. First, the glass jar is sturdy, but it's also heavier than some of the plastic alternatives out there. If you're used to lightweight blenders, you might feel the difference when moving it around. Also, while the motor is impressively powerful, it can take a bit longer to fully clean than a simpler blender, especially when there are sticky ingredients involved. The good news is that cleaning isn't difficult, just a bit more involved than some other models, but nothing too frustrating. As for the pros, it's clear that the Hamilton Beach PowerMax's strength lies in its power. The 1680-watt motor, combined with the all-metal drive and stainless steel blades, gives you a professional-level performance in your own kitchen. It's also versatile. Whether you're making smoothies, crushing ice, or pureeing vegetables, this blender does it all. The design is sleek and looks nice in any kitchen, and the 48-ounce glass jar holds plenty for larger batches. The 3-year warranty is a big plus, offering you peace of mind that this blender is built to last. But it's not all sunshine. While the blender is very powerful, that also means it's a bit on the bulky side. It's not as compact or portable as some other blenders, so if you have a small kitchen, you might find it takes up a decent amount of counter space. The glass jar, while durable, can be a little heavy to handle, especially when you're pouring thick mixtures. And cleaning the blender, while not difficult, takes a little more time and effort than some of its plastic counterparts. When it comes to value for money, the Hamilton Beach PowerMax is sitting at a competitive price point for a high-performance blender. You're getting a 1680-watt motor, stainless steel blades, and a 48-ounce glass jar, all backed by a 3-year warranty. Compared to other blenders in the same price range, such as the Ninja Professional or Vitamix's more affordable options, the PowerMax stands out in terms of sheer power and versatility. If you're someone who needs a blender that can do more than just make smoothies, this one is worth considering. However, if you're only looking for a basic smoothie maker, you might find the price a bit steep for what you actually need. In terms of build quality, This blender feels solid. The all-metal drive ensures it has the longevity you want in a kitchen appliance. If you're someone who makes smoothies or purees every day, this blender should be able to stand the test of time. With a solid reputation from Hamilton Beach for producing durable products, this model feels like it's built to last. I didn't have any direct customer service interactions with the company during this review, but Hamilton Beach has a generally good reputation for support. If you ever need assistance, their customer service team is known for being responsive, and their warranty covers potential defects and performance issues for 3 years. That should give you confidence in the blender's long-term reliability. When it comes to software or firmware updates, there's no need to worry here. The Hamilton Beach PowerMax doesn't rely on any software updates, so you can rest easy knowing it will function just as well day one as it will years down the line. To sum it all up, the Hamilton Beach PowerMax Professional Performance Blender is a powerful and versatile blender that delivers exceptional results in a range of tasks. Whether you're making smoothies, crushing ice, or pureeing ingredients, it's a reliable performer. While it's on the bulkier side and requires a bit more time for cleanup, it more than makes up for that with its outstanding power and durable build. For those looking for a blender that can handle almost any task in the kitchen, the PowerMax is definitely worth considering. If you're interested in picking up this blender, the link to purchase it is in the comments box below. As always, feel free to leave any questions or thoughts if you already own one. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep blending and keep enjoying the power of your kitchen.